This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Mario Hernandez. Charming block home with 5 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. Roof installed in 2022. Newer kitchen cabinets, countertops. Stainless steel appliances. Newer water heater. Ceramic tile on traffic areas. Backyard is fenced. There are 2 pantries in the entry to the kitchen. Bathrooms have been updated. Ceiling fans in all rooms. Cement patio in the backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Mario Hernandez at 386-789-2100.